In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your GoDaddy website. This straightforward guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and have your website looking just the way you want it in no time. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you have your login credentials at hand to access your account smoothly. Once you've logged in, your personalized GoDaddy homepage will load. From here, head over to your GoDaddy product page. This is where all your GoDaddy products, including your websites, will be listed. Scroll down until you see Websites plus Marketing, a section dedicated to helping you manage everything regarding your website. Find your website listed here and click on the Manage option next to it. This will open up more options specifically tailored for that website. Look for Edit Website or Edit Site and select it. This will launch the Website Builder, a powerful tool that allows you to make changes and customize your site with ease. Once the Website Builder loads, you'll find yourself in a preview window. This window shows your current website layout. Choose the section or element you want to modify. Perhaps you need to update some text or refresh an image. Simply click on the desired area and a menu will pop up on the right-hand side of your screen, allowing you to make changes. For text, you can highlight the words you'd like to change and utilize the formatting tools provided to adjust the font, size, color, and more. If you're replacing an image, just click on the image itself and use the pane to upload a new picture from your files or choose another from GoDaddy's library. The aim is to help you create a website that reflects your unique style and brand effortlessly. Next, if you need to expand your site, consider adding new pages. Select the plus sign in the navigation pane to insert a new page instantly. Want to switch things around? You can reorder pages easily by using the drag and drop feature in the site navigation menu. This flexibility allows you to change the structure of your site to enhance user experience or to keep in line with new marketing strategies. Additionally, if you're looking to duplicate a page for consistency or delete an outdated one, use the settings next to each page. Remember, the home page is set as the main entry point and cannot be removed, ensuring smooth navigation for your visitors. Finally, before making any changes public, take a moment to select the Preview option. This allows you to see your adjustments in real time and verify that everything appears just as you've intended. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, it's time to go live. Simply hit Publish to make your changes visible to the world. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to edit your GoDaddy website with confidence, adding fresh content and visuals whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.